Free money here. AI is king. Start now. If you've ever wanted to make thousands of dollars from your bedroom, this is the video you need to watch. I'm not going to waste your time with boring theories. I'm about to give you 12 real, actionable ways to start an AI business today. No fluff, no long intros, just pure value packed into the next few minutes. We are going to speed run how you can print money using artificial intelligence, I promise you. Some of these you have never heard of. This isn't just about making a little extra cash. This is about building legitimate income streams that could change your entire life. I've spent hundreds of hours researching, testing, building to find what actually works. Forget everything you think you know about making money online. The game has completely changed. If you're not using AI, you are literally leaving free money on the table for someone else to grab. I am going to break down each method so simply that anyone can get started immediately after watching. Are you ready to completely change your bank account? This is it. No more excuses. First up, AI freelance services. Jump on Upwork or Fiverr offer prompt engineering, model fine-tuning, or API integration. Companies are desperate for this and will pay big per project. Next, build and sell your own AI tools or plugins. Think of a simple Chrome extension for SEO, email writing, design. Sell it for a monthly subscription and watch the recurring revenue stack up. Number 3 is insane. Algorithmic trading. Use AI to spot market patterns and automate trades. You have to start small and manage your risk, but the upside is literally unlimited. This one is huge for creators. AI-powered content creation. Use AI to generate video ideas, write scripts, create thumbnails in seconds. This is how you scale a channel to the moon. Let's go. 12 ways, 4 minutes. I'm giving you the entire playbook. Chapter 5. Next, affiliate funnels with AI copy. Let AI write your landing pages. Ads. Email sequences that convert like crazy. You just set it up, and it prints money selling other people's products. Chapter 6. If you're creative, sell AI-generated art. You can create the most insane, unique images and sell them as prints, on t-shirts, or even as NFTs on marketplaces like OpenSea. Chapter 7, number 7, become the teacher. Package your AI knowledge into a paid course on Udemy or your own site. People will pay you hundreds of dollars. To learn what you know, you know. Chapter 8, this is for the builders. Launch a Micro-SaaS. Create a super focused AI tool, like a resume builder or a tweet generator, and charge a monthly fee. This is how you build a real sellable company. So, yeah, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn these crazy new AI tools into a full-time income, faster than you ever thought possible. Chapter 9. This is the easiest one on the list. Prompt engineering services. Big companies' creators don't have time to write perfect prompts. Sell them optimized prompt libraries for a massive fee. And profit. Chapter 10. If you do e-commerce or dropshipping, use this. Automate everything. Product descriptions, ad copy, even customer support chatbots. This frees you up to find more winning products and scale your store. Chapter 11. Next, AI-powered social media management. Use AI tools to generate a month's worth of content, captions, hashtags in minutes. You can manage 10 clients instead of 2. Chapter 12. Last but not least, this is wild. Voice cloning audiobook narration. With the rights, you can use AI to narrate entire audiobooks or create paid voice skins for apps. It's a brand new frontier. Outro. And that's it. 12 different ways you can start making an insane amount of money with AI right now. I just gave you the entire treasure map. There are no more secrets. Some of you watching will take one of these ideas and make your first $1,000 this month. Some of you will build $1 million business from a single idea in this video. The only thing separating you from that reality is hitting start. Don't just watch this video and click away. Pick one, just one, and go all in. Literally, everything you need is at your fingertips. All the tools, all the platforms. They're all waiting for you. The only variable is you. Are you going to be the person who talks about doing it or the person who actually does it? I make these videos because I genuinely want to see you win. I want to get a comment a year from now from someone who watched this and is now financially free. That would be the ultimate prize. So please, for me, and more importantly for yourself, go do it. If this video helped you, you already know what to do. Smash that subscribe button. We're on a mission to change as many lives as possible, and every single one of you who subscribes helps us get closer to that goal. Also, comment below which of these 12 ideas you're going to start first. I'll be reading every single comment and cheering you on. Now stop watching me and go build your empire.